Did you know the last Mughal emperor died alone in a prison cell, buried in an unmarked grave that no one could find for decades? Bahadur Shah Zafar ruled an empire that stretched from Afghanistan to Bengal. But after the 1857 rebellion failed, everything changed for the 82-year-old emperor. The British put him on trial right inside his own Red Fort Palace. They brought the severed heads of his sons and grandson, displaying them on a platter before his eyes. Can you imagine watching that as a father? Then came his punishment. They loaded the frail old man into a bullock cart and sent him on a painful journey to Rangoon prison in Burma. For 5 long years, he lived in a tiny cell, writing heartbreaking poetry about his lost kingdom. When he died in 1862, the British denied him a proper Islamic burial. They threw his body into an anonymous grave. The man who once commanded millions became a forgotten prisoner. His grave stayed lost for over 50 years until someone finally found it by accident.